If you have a round face shape, like Jenny, then this is your ultimate beauty guide for your makeup, hair, and glasses. For my round face shape, girlies, your goal is to create angles and definition to your face. So first things first, for your makeup, don't forget to contour. You should add definition to your cheeks and jawline. So you should add a contour slightly below the cheekbones and the side of your nose. Now another crucial step is your blush placement. If you put it on the apples of your cheeks, it's gonna make your face look even rounder and fuller. So rather go for lifting blush placements, like starting at the end of your eye, going up with all of that highlighter will put everything together. You should focus on the high points of your face, like your cheekbones and the bridge of your nose, to further create a lifted effect. Next is your hairstyle. Always go for a layered hairstyle because it's gonna create layers or definition to your face as it frames it beautifully. Now if you want bangs, then definitely go for side swept bangs because it's gonna create a beautiful shape at the upper part of your face. And finally is your glasses frame. Rectangular or angular frame will help offset the roundness of your face by adding structure. You should definitely avoid small glasses because it's gonna put more emphasis to your cheeks and face rather than your eyes. Now if you have a round face shape, let us know in the comments more tips and tricks to help your girlies out. And what face shape should I do next?